So my name is Scott Midkiff. I'm a professor of electrical and computer engineering at Virginia Tech and also have a courtesy appointment in computer science. Well, since coming back from from administrative work to being in the department full-time, I've been teaching graduate computer networks classes. But over the years I've taught certainly computer networks, and I enjoy teaching that. But I've also taught embedded systems and sort of more introductory computer engineering courses, computer engineering foundations for the Master of Information Technology program. Yeah, so I grew up mostly in central Kentucky and did my undergraduate at Duke. Went to work at Bell Labs back in the day that Bell Labs was a thing. They did what was called the one-year on-campus program, so I went to Stanford for a year, did my master's there, and then went back and worked at Bell Labs for a little bit, then went back to Duke for my PhD. After Duke, I spent a year at Carnegie Mellon as a visiting research associate, sort of a postdoc, and then came to Virginia Tech in 1986. And really mostly have been sort of working in different areas of computer networks and distributed systems. They evolved a bit over the years in terms of what types of systems, but for a lot of the time working in systems that how to make computer networks work well over wireless and in mobile environments. I think a lot of people would say that it's seeing the lights come on in the eyes of their students when they get a concept, and that's true for me too. That's really a favorite part. They get a concept, or even more importantly, they start to really sort of get an understanding about the subject of the class, sort of more broadly. But really the most favorite thing for me about being a professor is getting to know students, advising students maybe in graduate programs, undergraduate research, and then later on, seeing what they've done and seeing their success, and knowing that I've had at least a little part in that, in preparing them for a successful professional career. And that's really sort of the favorite, most gratifying part of being a professor.